Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I have my QVC Tili box. This is the November box. This was supposed to ship originally back at the beginning of November, and it didn't. And actually a couple of weeks went by and I thought, hey, where's my Tili box? So I called QVC because the Tili box is a QVC box that they put together with some of the products that they carry. We get sample sized and full sized. It is $25, free shipping and handling. You go onto their site and you order through them. And for the last several months, they have been partnering, like this is Tili by Somewhere Lately. And that is a blogger or a YouTuber or some kind of person in social media. And they have been doing collabs like this. I don't know why my box is so late in coming. When I called them, they said, yeah, we're not sure why it hasn't shipped. And then I got an odd email that mentioned that perhaps they were out of one of the products in here and they were holding it for that. This is the first month I've ever had something like this happen, so we'll see if it continues to happen. But I like it so much that I hate to hold it against them. When we open up the QVC by Tili box, we always have just tissue paper, and we can open it up. It's usually just bundled to keep it safe in travel. And there you go. Those are our products. So let's dig right in and see what we've got. I will try and put prices below because they don't give me the prices on the full size versus what we received. So I will let you know what we've got. Right on top, I have a little L'Occitane hand cream. And it is a dry skin hand cream. And it's just a little tube. 0.34 ounces. And on top of the box, because it comes in the brown QVC box, sitting on top of this box was the paperwork, which I have managed to not look at. Let's see what this says. The L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream is a super smoothing, best-selling synergy of shea butter, honey, and sweet almond extract, blended with the light and alluring aromas of jasmine and ylang-ylang essences. So that is a cute little L'Occitane to carry in my purse, and I will happily do that. Next, I have Laura Geller Pout Perfection Waterproof Lip Liner in Nude. I could so use this. I hope it is a good color. It is not in any way sealed. It is a really nice nude because, you know, this time of year when you start going to parties and galas and events, you know, you wear a red lip, and I don't always want to line in red. I like to line and then go over it with my red, so just to stop it from bleeding. So I love that that's a nice nude, and this is, I'm sure, a full-size Laura Geller product. Pout Perfection Lip Liner glides on to contour lips, help to define a perfect Cupid's bow while helping to keep your favorite lip color in place through every sip, smile, and kiss. I agree. And it went on really, really smoothly. So I am super happy to get that. Next, I have a Dalton Lip Velvet. Let's see what this is. That is what it looks like. This looks like it's probably a full-size product too. And again, I said this was a $25 box. It's very thick. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see, I'll pull in really close, the thickness of that. I kind of like the way it feels. And it's a great, great color for me. You know, it's got that pinky color that I lean toward. Let's see what this says. Lip Velvet Cream from Dalton that gives you the look and the feel of traditional lipstick without the heaviness. Very interesting. Offering unexpected texture. It was, that's why I said it was thick, but it was kind of like a mousse. It was like moussey thick, not like Vaseline-y thick. It's a truly sophisticated effect. The formula is so rich and creamy, it will have your lips wanting more. All right, and this is the color Fashionista. I like it. That's it, by the way, with the nude lip. Just saying. Next, I have several packets. I have 3 Bright Eyes by Beauty Bio. I've never heard of this. Illuminating Colloidal Silver and Collagen Eye Masks. Well, I have 3 of these. And that is what they look like. And this says, Beauty Bio Bright Eyes Colloidal Silver and Collagen Eye Gels are stay-in-place patches that contain a rich formula including crushed pearl, aloe, collagen, colloidal silver, niacinamide, and sodium hyaluronate. These gels help to reduce the appearance of puffiness for a more rested and refreshed look, and temporarily moisturize and brighten the appearance of skin for a more glowing, luminous look. Again, as we get ready for the holiday seasons and those late nights and having to rally up the next day, I know I could use an eye mask. We also received a Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. And I have had these in the past, and there's something in them I can't use because I always pass them along. Licorice. It has the licorice root. I just recently went over what I can and can't use. I think it was in an Allure box. Well, I don't have the paperwork on this because this infers that we are going to get the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. So maybe this was the problem for my box, and that's why I got a mask, and that's what they were waiting to see, maybe if they could get more cream. But this mask I've heard really great things about. And it says, for centuries, Japanese women would brew botanicals into an enriched elixir captured with leftover kimono silk to create a mask. This practice inspired the silky soft, skin-fitting sheet mask that delivers a healthy drink of ultra-hydrating botanical oils and extracts for a dewy glow in just one use. Next, I have a teeny tiny, I almost would call this a foil pack, Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. And it's by Goldfaden. And we've had that in one of our other boxes. I want to say Ipsy we've had Goldfaden in. I don't think this exact product. Wake Up Call is Dr. Goldfaden's overnight cream. Wake up to a gorgeous looking complexion with this luxurious creamy moisturizer. So that will be fun to try. This is all really good for like recovering or getting ready for the next holiday party. This is a Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer and Serum. That's very interesting. I have tried very few Kate Somerville products. I actually have her goat milk that I just got in the FabFitFun, the goat milk moisturizer. This says the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Moisturizing Serum is formulated with HA3 complex, 3 different sized molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. It helps to improve the look of deep wrinkles and expression lines on the forehead, between the brows, parentheses, and marionette lines. Those are going to be my downfall, I think. That is very interesting. I'm going to read over these and hope like heck I can use this, because that sounds like something I could surely use. And last but not least, and this appears to be full-sized, is the Fruitia Pomegranate Nutra Moisturizing Toner. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know anything about this product. So that is a fun full-sized product. Let's see what this says. The Sweet Toner is a fruit juice toner in a bottle. Fruitia's Citrus Brightening Toner is a toner that can be used with all skin types. Pomegranate Nutra Moisturizing Toner is formulated with pomegranate extract and helps the skin feel moisturized. All right. Oh, and this is how cool this bottle looks. How cool is that? That is so neat. Pomegranate Nutra Moisturizing Toner. And it's a K-Beauty. It has the Korean on the back and it says made in Korea. So it's just a nice little K-Beauty product and it's a full size. I'm actually putting together a skincare giveaway that several of us girls are getting together to collab on. So I think I will add this to that skincare giveaway because that is a super cute product. So that is it for the Tili box for November. I should have a December one in like a week or two, assuming it ships when it should. So we received this nice K-Beauty toner, a little Kate Somerville moisturizer to try, a Tatcha face mask, 3 Beauty Bio eye masks, a little Goldfaden sample, a little, I like to say purse-sized L'Occitane hand cream, and then the Dalton lip and the Laura Geller lip liner. These two alone, well, not to mention this full-size thing, more than cover the $25. It's just a matter of whether they're products you think you'll use. I will probably use both of these, so it is well worth it. And I'm happy to have this to put in the giveaway because I think somebody will probably love it. It has grapefruit peel oil in it, so I can't use it. All right, guys, thanks so much for being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you really soon. Bye, guys.